Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And this video for today we will be painting two cards, and for them I am using this Canson Montval watercolor paper. It is 300 GSM or 140 pounds, 24 by 32 centimeters or 9.4 by 12.6 inches, and it is also cold press. I have divided it into 4 parts, 1 page, and today I will be using 2 of those. Also, I will be using this leftover from the stickers, leftover paper or stickers from the smaller circular stickers, just to make the, I guess, to mask the part around the circles. If you don't have this sort of paper, it doesn't matter. You can just be careful when you paint in your circles to paint them correctly. And on this one, first one, I will be just doing some splatters. So to create those, maybe find something that you can use as a blocker. Maybe use one sheet of the paper, cut the circles inside it and place them onto your watercolor paper. Just make sure you glue them both together to the surface, to the table or some board, to make sure it doesn't move. And that's how you can actually create those borders and how you can create those circles and not go outside of the circles with your splatters. As soon as you finish with those splatters, you can just move that paper aside, because for the later we won't be needing it anymore. Or maybe you want to add a little bit more splatters when it dries, then you can just leave it there. Also for the second one, for this one, that masking isn't really necessary. Just be careful to stay within the borders of your circles. I am painting all of those circles, on one side a little bit darker, on one side a little bit lighter, and topping on top just a clean water. I left those two to dry completely, and now that those are dry, I'm just removing that sticker paper and for both of them, and you can see it worked. I never did that actually before, so I wasn't sure if it would rip my watercolor paper, but I did put those sticker paper I did put onto my clothes just to pick up a little bit of those, a little bit of the dust, so it to make that glue on top of it just a little bit less sticky, and it did not rip my paper, watercolor paper, so it does work. Now I'm just drawing in with this ink pen. This is the ink pen from Etchr. I believe this is 01. I'm just drawing in the flowers inside those circles, and you can see for some I'm just staying within the circles, and for some I'm going outside of the borders of my circle. So that's the matter of your preference. If you want to stay within the borders of your circle, you can do that, but if you want to go outside, that's also fine. Maybe you don't want to draw flowers at all, that's also fine. You can draw whatever you like inside your circles. For the colors, I did use some greens, violet, pink, and yellow. These are all colors from my Cozy and Soft Glow collection set of colors. So there is a soft glow. Those colors are slightly metallic, they do shine. And if you do have metallic watercolors, you can use them, but if not, it's also fine. You don't have to have metallics to make this work. And I did decide to use it because I do like that soft shine. They're not too shiny, but just slightly shiny, and I do really like that. And when I finished with them, I just decided to again add borders, this time with green. And you can also write in a text. I'm not gonna do that. And for the second one, I'm not drawing the flowers inside each circle, but I'm gonna do a couple of poppies on top of my circles. A little bit more of details, doing a little bit thicker line on some parts and thinner on the other. And this poppy bud. And a couple of leaves, which you can see I'm doing quite simple leaves. Also decided to do a little bit more of the details to my poppy, and then again borders with green. And with that, I'll be finishing off these cards also and this video. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do like it, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. I would really appreciate that. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!